Hi Kickstarter, I'm Mitch, and I'm the inventor of the Spoon Best. Okay, here's your life. If you don't have a spoon rest, then your counter gets dirty. If you do have a spoon rest, then your spoon rest gets dirty. If you have the Spoon Best, then nothing gets dirty. How cool is that? Traditional spoon rests get dirty the moment you use them. The Spoon Best stays clean. You could buy elevated tongs, or you could use the Spoon Best on regular tongs. And the Spoon Best will be there for you in case there are any drips. Do you really want to go out and buy a whole new set of kitchen utensils just because you like the Elevate idea? Why not just get one thing, the Spoon Best, that does it all? The Spoon Rest was made for spoons, but what about other cooking utensils, like tongs? The Spoon Rest doesn't work with tongs. The Spoon Best works great with tongs. All you have to do is close them, put them down, and let go. And then pick them up whenever you're ready to go again. So no more fiddling around with that locking mechanism. It's this easy. We're raising money on Kickstarter right now to be able to place our first order with a world-class manufacturer. I hope that you're able to back this project either for yourself or for a friend that likes to cook. It would make a great gift. And really, it's time. The world needs a better spoon rest. You have tried the Spoon Rest. Now try the Spoon Best. Thanks a lot for your support.
Let me tell you a secret. This pizza wasn't made in a wood-fired brick oven. It wasn't made in an oven at all. I made it in my kitchen stove in just 3 minutes. Pizza is the original fast food, and I really love to share it with my friends. But making pizza at home is very time-consuming, and the results are never the same as in my favorite pizza place. Nothing kills the mood faster than hungry guests. So why are we still making pizza at home in ovens, which takes forever to preheat? That's not fast food, and the party will be over before you even make one good pie. When I went on a mission to make the best possible pizza in the shortest amount of time, Iron8 was born. Iron8 is designed to skip an oven altogether, so you can make your pizza straight on your kitchen stove or range. In under 10 minutes, Iron8 can heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, just like commercial pizza ovens. No more waiting 30+ minutes for your oven to preheat, heating up your apartment, and wasting all that energy. The cover is designed to quickly soak up the energy from your stove and radiate intense heat into the crust and toppings to ensure evenly cooked pizza in just 3 minutes. The bottom end of Iron8 is made out of special steel that can hold as much energy as brick oven, and it conducts heat way better, so you get those perfect charred spots on the bottom of your pizza. You can turn even a frozen supermarket pizza into a star of your party with Iron8. Iron8 is handmade in Europe. It's made out of heavy-duty steel, which prevents wrapping and is virtually indestructible. It's all natural, coated only with vegetable oil to prevent it from rusting and provides a non-stick surface. It's made to last a lifetime. We tested Iron8 with all common heat sources. It works great on electric, glass, induction, or gas stoves. You can even use it on your grill or campfire. Have you ever made a gourmet pizza while camping? Now you can. And it's not intended just for pizza either. High-carbon steel is superior to stainless steel, aluminum, or even cast iron. It can hold more energy and radiates more heat, so that sous vide steak will get a perfectly seared finish. The cover can be used as a baking steel. For those rare occasions, you'll still want to make your pizza in an oven, providing a scorching hot surface that emulates a wood-fired brick oven.
For those who are trying hard, the patience of a saint, who doesn't stop to blow on hot soup before and suffers because of it, who thinks waiting is the hardest challenge in cooking, and eating. For those who break the rules, and fridges. For all of you, we invented Cooler Pro.
Hello, my name is Julia, and I'm also one of those who just can't wait.
I will start my lunch in a minute. This is the time needed for this hot pumpkin cream soup to be cooled off by the means of the Cooler Pro.
Cooler Pro will cool off any hot dish or beverage in a minute, without any harm or any side effect for the food.
I'm so proud to bring this device to a market that will change the way we have a meal.
We have been working on this product for almost a year, and we see great demand for it.
Our engineers designed a special system that guarantees the fastest cooling off process. You can regulate the height of the dishware to maximize the cool-off effect. A non-contact temperature sensor will measure the temperature of the dish and show it on the display. Cooler Pro is fast, simple, efficient, and beautiful. It's small and fits any kitchen perfectly.
I wanted this device in my kitchen since I was a child, waiting for my favorite pie to cool off.
These 15 minutes were as long as an hour. And now, with Cooler Pro, it takes only 2 minutes to complete the cool off pie which just came out from the oven.
With Cooler Pro, you'll be able to eat your favorite food so much faster and spend the waiting time enjoying all those things you had to put off.
Every great idea has a story. I'm an architect, and my story began with my grandfather. He was a blacksmith. Nature was his primary obsession and inspiration. He often asked himself how to transfer this feeling, being one with nature, into his daily routine and work. As I thought back on all the nights when my grandfather crafted the blades for his kitchen knives, I began to create a handle to match. One that isn't like the many others made from synthetics, but is made from wood. What began as a sketch turned into a passion, because sometimes innovations require perfect conditions and timing. True passion in design, and finally I created a complete knife I call Skid. Skid combines the traditional and the modern. Skid is environmentally sound, stylistically pure and elegant, adapted for the needs and challenges of modern users. The grip forms and adjusts to the hands ergonomically. The wood is hardened and tempered, but isn't inferior to the natural wood surface. A high carbon content coupled with exceptional alloying makes the blade sharp and long-lasting. The body of the handle is more hygienic than typical synthetic handles, thanks to tannic acid produced by hardwood, which has antibacterial properties. My grandfather told me that all organic raw materials were a gift, no matter how fast society progresses. Creating Skid took me back into the past, but also